Well, to continue my lecture on this topic, oblique projection, observe carefully. Example 2. If horizontal displacement x is equal to 3t, vertical displacement y is equal to 4t minus 5t square of a projectile, then find a range or maximum height h, angle of projection theta, initial velocity u, acceleration a. So already a few minutes back we discussed in the part 1, whenever equation of projectile horizontal displacement x is equal to at, if x is equal to at, y is equal to bt minus ct square. So this is of the form. Observe carefully. X is equal to 3t is given, y is equal to 4t minus 5t square is given. Compare these two. What we got, ma? A is equal to 3 here, b is equal to 4 here, c is equal to 5. Right? So then range formula. So generally range R is equal to formula AB by C. That means A means 3, B means 4, C means 5. That means 12 by 5. The range is equal to, we got here 12 by 5. This is answer for first question. So next, answer for second question. What is answer for second question, ma? What is answer for second question? Maximum height. What is formula for maximum height here? Maximum height h is equal to formula b square by 4c. b square by 4c. b is equal to 4 here. That means 4 square by 4 into c means 5 here. That means 4 square cancel. Finally we got here 4 by 5. So 4 by 5, that is nothing but here 0.8. Maximum height we got here 0.8. So then angular projection. So third one answer. Angular projection formula. Theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. That means tan inverse of b means here 4 by a means here 3. So tan inverse of 4 by 3 is answer of angle of projection. Next, fourth one, initial velocity, acceleration. So we are finding initial velocity and acceleration. Observe carefully. What is fourth one? Initial velocity and acceleration. How to find initial velocity and acceleration? Here, initial velocity, it is indicated by modulus of u bar, or u is equal to square root of a square plus b square. So here square root of a means 3 square, b means 4 square. From this square root of 9 plus 16, that is equal to square root of 25. Square root 25 means 5. So here initial velocity we got 5. Then fifth one is acceleration. Acceleration. A is equal to 4c. Sorry, A is equal to 2c. That means 2 into 5, 10. Acceleration is equal to 2c. That means 2 into 5, 10. So what is acceleration here? 10 is acceleration. I hope you understood this lecture. So next we will discuss, if a body projected vertically upwards, it makes angle theta 1. Another body projected from the ground, it makes angle theta 2. If theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, then what is the conditions? That means angles sum is complementary. Then what is the conditions? We will discuss it in further lectures. I hope you understood this lecture. If you had any doubt, please mention in comment box. So dear students, observe carefully. If you watch the lectures like the previous lectures, then only you understood this. That means upcoming lectures and these lectures, because these all lectures are linked lectures. If you understood previous lectures, if you got clear idea about this present lectures and upcoming lectures, right? So please go through previous lectures. I already discussed a few lectures like introduction of motion in two dimension and types of motion in two dimension like oblique projection and horizontal projection. What is meant by oblique projection I discussed. What is meant by horizontal projection I discussed. Next, in oblique projection, we discussed how to draw the diagram and detailed explanation of oblique projection. We are discussed in few lectures. Please go through the previous lectures. I hope you understood these lectures. If you had any doubt, please mention in comment box. Thank you so much.